Hello everyone, I'm Miss Wendy Zhang. Today we are going to share the calculator program 4 for long division for degree 4 divided by degree 1. So it means this program is to find the quotient and the remainder when we have a polynomial with degree 4 and then divided by degree 1 polynomial. For example, we can see this one divided by this one. We just need to input these 7 number and then your result of your power 3 for the quotient and the remainder will be given. At the same time, if you have just power 3 only, then you can just input 0 in the x to the power 4 this term. Also, at the end of the video, we will also teach you how to figure out the example 2 for having program 4 and then using program 3 to solve all the different factor out. So let's get started to input the 64 byte. 去 x 冒號問號冒號問號箭嘴，跟住去 y， 跟住再冒號，最後一個呢就係去埋 m 啦。好，下一行你而家數翻28個byte，跟住下一行呢就係 m 啦，跟住 over 係呢個 ABC 嘅掣，跟住呢就再揾翻 y 出嚟，箭嘴指去 m， 跟住就冒號 A 再 over 翻 y， 跟住呢就 shift 3呢個4就係呢個三角形，跟住就 alpha B over alpha y， 跟住係減 answer， 再揾翻 m 出嚟，三角形再 c over alpha y， 減翻 answer， 叫翻 m 出嚟。咁所以呢，呢一行就會有個三角形啦。好，第二行係52個byte。好，最後一行啦喎 ，alpha D 再 over 翻 y， 減翻 answer， alpha 叫翻 m 出嚟，三角形 x 減翻 answer alpha y alpha m， 咁你 total 就有64個byte。咁我哋而家試一試到底呢個 program work 唔 work 咯喎。好 ，program 4， 我哋入咗2啦、1啦、3、4、5，跟住呢個 divisor 係 x 再加2，然之後呢，你就會得到第一個答案係2，跟住-3、9、-14，最後 remainder 呢係33，意思就真係揾咗個 quotient 之後呢 remainder 最後就33。好，咁如果呢呢條就會 call 翻 program 4， 撳翻我哋嘅2係個 x 4次啦，跟住 x 3次就係1， x 2次就係3，跟住呢 x 就係4，最後呢5，然之後我哋 divide by x 加2，咁所以係1同埋2，所以最終出到嚟嘅答案呢，我哋就會寫成咗做2x 3次啦。減翻 3x 2次啦，再加翻 9x， 減翻14，而最後個 remainder 呢就係33啦。所以同樣道理，我哋可以試埋example
2。咁今次呢個咧都係 x 4次嘅 degree 4除以 degree 1，咁所以我哋就可以試下 program 4。今次撳 x 4次前面係1，跟住係-6，跟住3、26同埋-24。跟住我哋個 divisor 咧就會係 x 即係1啦，跟住再減翻4或者-4都冇錯。咁所以我哋就會得到我哋個括弧入邊長除完咧，就會得到一個 x 3次減翻2個嘅 x 2次，再減5x 加6啊。咁然之後我哋順勢就可以用翻我哋之前入嘅 program 3，用翻 cubic 嘅 function， 咁即係咧 x 3次係1啦 coefficient， 跟住 x 2次就係-2，跟住 x 前面就係-5，最後6就出到咧我哋3個嘅 root 出嚟，分別係3即係 x 減3、1即係 x 減1，同埋 x 減x 呢個-2就即係括弧咧就係 x 加2啦。咁所以我哋都可以善用 program 4同埋 program 3咧，同時進